This is a forest located in Arjuno Mountain foothill, East Java. Landslide has occurred in several areas of the 500-hectare forest. The landslide occurred as the forest is intensely transformed. It is estimated that 150 hectares of the forest have been transformed for farming activities in the upstream of Sumber Brantas River and Tulung Rejo. Moreover, the slopes of Arjuno Mountain have been turned into hotels, residences, and even tourism attractions. Other than heavy rainfall, the damaged forest also contributed to Batu's flash flood when it should be preventing flash flood. To anticipate flash flood, Perhutani works on recovering the forest.
Kami ini ke atas masih mau ngecek ya, mau ngecek nanti mungkin dari atas bisa disampaikan lebih lanjut. Tentunya di kami di Perhutani bisa mengarahkan atau membina dulu masyarakat yang buka lahan untuk bisa berkontribusi untuk perbaikan lingkungan. Tentunya kami hanya sekedar pembinaan dulu ya untuk bisa bagaimana reboisasi atau keutuhan lahan maupun hutan ini bisa terwujud. Kami masih berhitung ini, masih berhitung ya. Nanti antara kawasan hutan Area dengan lahan buka, nanti mungkin besok sore angkanya bisa kami dapat.
In addition to that, fire that took place in 2019 also worsened the forest condition. On November 4th, flash flood hit 6 villages in Batu, East Java. Tens of houses were damaged as the flood contained mud and wood. 7 died in the unfortunate event. See Today contributor reporting from Batu, East Java.